Okay, today we're going to be making embeds. This is how I'm doing it, and I'm starting off with my scale. We'll do equal parts of baking soda and citric acid. I'm going to be using this little sifter to even out the bumps. I'm going to change this to ounces. There we go. So I'm looking at about 4 ounces of each. Okay. And recalibrate my scale. And I'm going for 4 ounces of citric acid. Okay. Okay. Next, I'm going to mix my coloring with some oil in a little cup. So in this little cup, I'm going to add a spoonful of oil. Just like that much. And for today, I'm going to use this color, food coloring. I'm going to put in about 10 drops to start. Give that a mix. I'm going to add in 5 more. I'm going to put on my gloves. Alrighty, now that I have my gloves on, I am slowly going to pour this in. I want to make sure that you guys can see well. Slowly pour this in to my mixture. I'm going to get in with my hands and mix. I'm going to rub it in between my hands so that the little color bubbles can mix in properly. And it's feeling a lot like wet sand, which is good. I'm going to get my mold. I'll show you in just a second. I feel like that is pretty good. I'm going to do a little test in my mold to make sure everything's holding up well. Let me grab that. So here I have my little tray that I'm going to dump this into. So all I'm going to be doing, let me do this first to show you. I'm going to compact all of these just like that. You want it done really well. Okay, now that this is all full, let me bring my little tray over here. And you can see, all I'm going to do is flip it over. Okay? Just like, ta-da! Just like that. And as you can see, I barely have anything left here, but I'm going to keep this for the little bath fizzies. That's how you make embeds. Now you let these dry for a couple of hours. I usually just do a bunch of them and then set them to the side. Thanks for watching. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.